Okay, we're trying the elusive ghost pepper, ghost pepper chicken sandwich. We'll see if this is actually hot or not. We've been wondering. It's been on everybody's tongue, even Caius's. We'll see. Tasty though. Not bad. You guys want to try some? Hey?
Once I tried a pepper, burned me.
I burned you?
Not on my tongue.
Okay.
It feels so hot on me.
McDonald's, I don't have no heat. I think they put on like the McSecret sauce on here and no habanero or ghost pepper.
Like real ghost.
Yeah. The heat of the chicken patty itself is hot. Like temperature hot is it's steaming hot. With the ghost pepper? Sorry, McDonald's. Yet again, I think Tabasco sauce has more heat than this. Okay, so anybody wants to try this thing?
I don't.
Holly doesn't. But you know what? Anybody else who wants to try a hot sauce? McDonald's, you're slacking, man. This ain't hot.